Most of my recipes are designed, if not all, to be very fast, simple, and easy. Yeah, take all that intimidation factor out of it. There's just something fantastic about something as simple as a pot of beans. So yeah, let's talk about crazy beans. Honestly, the recipe all comes together in probably 30 minutes or less. What it is it's basically just bacon, onions, several kinds of beans, and whatever meats you want to add beyond that. This one I've used brisket and some Hungarian sausage from our meat department, but I took the brisket pre-cooked from our kitchen, so all the work is taken out of it for you. So we got this great new line of organic beans from Cento, so wanted to try to put something together with a whole bunch of that, just use a little bit of everything. So far, our testers have just gone crazy for it. They couldn't get enough of it, so everybody's kind of eyeing this right now. I'm having to slap hands away. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit spicy. It's meaty. It has some sugar. It has a little bit of vinegar, but it's just really fun. It's one of those things that would be fantastic for fall, football games, parties, just get-togethers. It's fast, it's delicious. It's a great recipe.